What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing a pack opening. We've got 10 of the McDonald's 25th anniversary packs to open up today. You can take a look on the smaller cam. So we're going to be popping these open. On top of that, I got some random packages in the mail. I'm trying to fill out my collection, which I will show afterwards. But we're going to open these up today too because I purchased those at 4 a.m. So I honestly don't remember what's in them. But before we get started, we've already opened some of these. So I do have some of the hollows. So I'm going to be showing those right here today. We're looking to fill the set. I think it's really unlikely that we will today, but we're still going to try. Got a couple Squirtles, Mudkip, Poplio, 2 Chikorritas, one's in a case already. A couple Turtwigs, Chespin, Rowlet, and Grookey. I'll put up a graphic that shows the ones that we still need. And then as we open them, hopefully we'll put them up on there. So we're just gonna dive right into it since we got plenty of stuff to open and we want to keep this as short as possible. So we're just gonna get right into it. Do you have anything you want to say to the camera?
Oh man, I'm hoping we get some Gen 1 hollows. I'm really looking forward for that. But anything goes, anything's possible. We've opened a lot of packs already and let's freaking get it.
Here we go. All right, we got a Grookey to start us off.
Okay.
Fennekin.
I like Fennekin.
Oshawott. And another Squirtle.
Oh, let's go.
There we go. So that's our third Squirtle so far.
Love it.
Do you want to go ahead and open one?
Okay. Yep.
So remember, yep. And then you just want to flip the first one to the back.
Let's go. It's getting real.
Now I got to give out a shout out to our boy James out there. Hopefully we're going to pull a regular non-hollow toted out for you today.
All right, here we go. Oshawott. What?
Keep going, keep going.
We got a Froakie.
A hollow Froakie.
Charmander.
And Poplio. I don't know what you did there.
I think I moved the back card. I did the opposite.
Okay, hold on. Let me do this a little bit more clear. All right, going into our third pack here.
I like Froakie.
Don't remember if we've already pulled a Froakie or not. It'll show on the screen though. Okay, so it's the front card to the back.
Yeah, I did it opposite.
Okay. Piplup. Cyndaquil.
I love Cyndaquil.
Litten. And another Squirtle.
Oh my. Let's go.
That's our 4th Squirtle pull. Where did that Froakie go? All right, I'm gonna put Froakie over here. All right,
a lot of waters. All right, I'm gonna do this right this time. I promise. I was just too excited. Come on. All right, so taking them out.
Front card in the back.
There
you go.
All right. We got a Grookey, another Cyndaquil, a Rowlet,
and Chespin. All right, we definitely already have that one. I think the one I'm looking for here, obviously everybody's looking for Hollow Pikachu. I've pulled 2 of them already. Actually, I pulled 3. This sounds so bad. I've opened so many of these. But I'm really shooting for a Hollow Charmander or Cyndaquil. Those are 2 I haven't seen yet. Here we go. Oshawott. Oh, I did it wrong. Pig. We are butchering this right now. And then we got a Snivy and a Chespin.
That was my first starter in black and white. I love the bulk.
All right, that's actually our first Pig, so that's actually a good pull.
Let's go.
You want to go ahead for the next one?
All right, here we go. My third pack. All right. I wouldn't mind another fire.
We don't have a hollow Snivy either. That could be one we're after. I would like the hollow Charmander or the hollow Bulbasaur though.
So here we go. Ooh, that one's messed up. Okay. Snivy. Fennekin. Litten.
Rowlet.
All right.
We're not doing so hot.
Okay.
That's okay though. We've still got 4 packs to open. Hopefully we can pull. I'd love any of the first gen starters, honestly. If we could pull any of those. Minus Squirtle, since we already got like 5 of them. All right, let's flip here.
I do love Squirtle, though.
I do love a good Squirtle. I actually like that card. Oh, there we go. Okay, maybe this is a good sign. Bulbasaur. Pig. Totodile. There you go, James. And Chikorita.
Oh, that's awesome. Do you already have one?
I've got 2 of them already, but that is probably my favorite card in the whole set. So We'll live with it. All right, 3 to go.
pack number 4. Here we go.
Again, Charmander, Bulbasaur, not a Squirtle, or Cyndaquil would be ideal.
All right, here we go. Man, it's always that top corner that gets me. All right, here we go. Another Snivy, another Fennekin.
It's like the exact same pack. And Charmander!
Oh, come on! Get in!
We need that one. That's a great pull.
That's my favorite pull of the day.
That looks fantastic too.
That's a beautiful card.
All right, we got 2 packs left. I think the hardest part's probably going to be trading to actually fill out the holo set. But if you want to trade with us, shoot, let me know. I would love to fill out our set. All right.
Piplup. Wow, that card looks sweet.
I do like the Piplup card. Cyndaquil. Ooh, there's a grass one. Okay, we know it's grass. Turtwig and Bulbasaur!
Oh!
Let's go!
Oh my.
That's a gorgeous card.
2 first gens in a row. We've got all of them today.
Pulled all 3 of the first gens. Some of you who were born before 2000 are freaking out right now.
Oh,
Man, that's great. All right, last one. Let's just get a Pikachu or a Cyndaquil here. Would be fantastic.
Man, we got all the first gens. That's like one of my favorite gens.
Snivy. We still need a Snivy. Sobble.
All right, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Bulbasaur. Tapig. Turtwig. Turtwig.
All right, that's the 5th Turtwig I've seen pulled, at least. I gave away a couple of them.
Yeah.
All right, so let's take a look at our pulls for today. I know we didn't get to completely fill out the set, but we got close. Squirtle, Chikorita, Chessman. These cards are just gorgeous, too. Look at these. Man, that's good. Not a whole lot of doubles either, so we'll take it.
Yeah, a lot of variety.
All right, so now we got a couple packages to open up. Which one do you want, blue or the regular?
Oh, give me the blue. Give me the blue.
Okay. I'll go ahead and open up this one first. It feels a little thick. Okay, I do know that some of these packages have gym challenge. Some are going to have base set. Some are going to have early gens. I'll show it in the next clip, but what I'm trying to do is fill out the original 151, and then I just want to collect my favorite cards from when I was a kid. So that's what part of these are.
All right, my first 151 favorite Pokemon is probably Machamp.
Machamp.
Yeah, we had a original holo of his. I think I probably messed it up because I like to mess with my cards.
Actually, we still have. Oh, I've got a. Okay, there's a random case.
But let us know what your favorite one is because I'm curious.
Yeah, put in the comment
I feel
section
like-
below. What's your favorite Pokemon card? I'd love to hear it. Okay, Sandslash. So, fun fact, Sandslash isn't really one of my favorite Pokemon, but I love every single Sandslash card for some reason. So that's a cool one. Ooh, I don't remember ordering that. That's
Oh my.
Reverse Hollow Nidoking. Psyduck, definitely needed that in the set. Poliwhirl, I think that's from the Fire Red and Leaf Green series. Sceptile. Some of these I just got because they look cool. Chikorita. Donphan.
I love Donphan.
It's one of my favorites. Dark Persian. I don't remember getting that one. Flygon. This is one of my favorite
Love
cards.
that look.
And a base set Ghastly. All right, that's our first package. All right, so we know there's definitely some Gym Challenge and Gym Heroes, so maybe it's that one. I don't know.
All right. Says, thank you for your purchase. Please take a moment to like us on Facebook. All right. I'm not sure who you are, but I will. I'm going to go from the back. I'm going to do the card trick. I feel like it's good luck.
Might as well.
All right, here we go. First card. Trainer card.
It's from the Jungle set.
Jungle set.
Which I'm trying to finish.
The Gambler. Another Ghastly.
It's a first edition, too.
Okay, yeah, this is one of my favorite first gen.
First
cards.
edition Golem.
I remember as a kid just staring at this card for like 10 minutes at a time just because I don't know, I was putting myself in his situation. He's riding down a lava volcano. I don't know, but that's intense.
Haunter, that's a nice looking one.
Hitmonlee. Hitmontop, he's my dude. Hypno.
Mr. Fuji.
Mr. Fuji. Muck.
That's a card
He's
I've
got a
been wanting.
Pokemon power.
I don't know if I ever had that card growing up.
Yeah, I don't know. Another trainer card, Omastar.
First edition Omastar.
I like that trainer card. Erica's Jigglypuff.
Okay, so here's some gym. That's Gym Heroes or Gym Challenge, one of the two.
Electrode. I did a double run with Electrode and Blaziken one time in Ruby. Got him at the third gym. Another one of my favorites, Executor.
Ooh, Pidgeot. I love that card. And there's one of my favorites. The classic Wigglytuff. I don't know why. As a kid, I always loved that yellow background. All right, we got one more package to open up. This one feels like the biggest. So we got a cute little reverse holo Pikachu.
That one's sweet. I like that Thunderbolt.
Vaporeon, just a random one I like. And Flareon. I think that's... What set is that? I don't remember. Doesn't matter. Again, I just ordered some random cards at like 4 a.m. Paris from Neo, I think. Swinub. Snubbull. Lollipop, got this for my wife. Shouts out to you, Mads. Venonat. Pettis. Bellsprout. These are just some classic ones I just didn't have in the set. Growlithe, I think I just like this one or I got it from Mads, I don't remember. Donphan, one of my favorite Donphan cards. Sabrina's Abra. And Cherim. Very underrated Pokemon.
Dude, if you're enjoying it, just subscribe. Come on. Hit the notification button, like it, thumbs up.
Smash that like button.
Come on.
Okay. Swinub. Another Pikachu card. And another Pikachu card. This is what happens when you buy cards late at night by yourself. All right. Misty Staryu. Misty Seal. Misty's Poliwag. Lieutenant Surge's Voltorb. Lieutenant Surge's Spearow. I almost said Fearow. Lieutenant Surge's Magnemite. Erica's Weeping Bell. Erica's Tangela. Erica's Execute. Another Erica's Execute. And a cool looking Bulbasaur card. All right, we got a Skiploom. Ooh, Reverse Holo Raichu. I really like this card. Dope. And another Pikachu card. I seriously don't remember buying these. I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought I only got like Gym Challenge and Gym Heroes cards. I don't know where these Pikachus are coming from. Erica's Bellsprout. Brock's Sandshrew. That's a nice card right there.
Oh, yeah.
Brock's Rhyhorn. Might have that one already. I'm not sure. Sabrina's Porygon. Sabrina's Jinx. Sabrina's Abra. Misty's Seal. Misty's Psyduck. Another Lieutenant Surge's Voltorb.
Oh, that looks cool.
Koga's Tangela. And a random Pidgey card.
Nice.
All right, there's the Pidgeotto that goes with that random Pidgey. And a Team Rocket Voltorb. I always liked this card as a kid. It's a nice one. All right, Koga's Coughing. Koga's Grimer. Koga's Ekans. Giovanni's Pinsir. This was an expensive card. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Giovanni's Nidoran. Giovanni's Nidoran. Giovanni's Meow. Giovanni's Machop. I really like this card too. But Giovanni's Machoke, even better card. Oh. Erica's Paris. And there's the Pidgeot to finish that set. I don't know why I bought those. I'm gonna be honest. If you've enjoyed what's happening, like he said, Continental crushed that like button. You don't get that reference. That's from Gen 7. Brock's Geodude. Blaine's Ponyta. Okay, there's another one that's really expensive.
Ooh.
Blaine's Ninetales, not a cheap card.
So dope.
It's a dope card. Blaine's Mankey. Blaine's Charmeleon, another expensive card. Chikorita. Jungle Magmar, card I never had as a kid. There's a cool looking Ivysaur card. Base set 2 Machop. You would think I'd have a Machop somewhere in the set. I didn't.
Oh, we definitely did.
And Drowsy. And another Paris. I think I bought 2 on accident. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed our opening today. We've got a lot of cards, and I'm going to show my binder to you soon. Anything else?
No, I think we made a lot of good finds today, and I was glad to be a part of it. So have fun out there, guys.
See ya.
Better days, I've had better days. I was living for myself, I was in the way. Better days, I've had better days. Sometimes gotta clear out the cachet. Better days, I've had better days. Told to live for myself, I was led astray. Better days, I've had better